Okay, you guys, so here's the My Normal Allulose. Now, mine's in Japanese because I live in Japan, so I got it from Amazon Japan. My Normal is a Korean brand, and I decided to go with the Korean brand because, well, it's closer to me and therefore cheaper. And also, I've had a lot of good success with the Korean products. So I also got the powdered form. This is the powdered. I haven't tried this one yet. I've tried this one here. But this is the powder and the syrup. And for the powder version here, I've just poured some into my hand so you can see a bit of the texture here. It's like a fine sugar. I'll taste some. Yeah, I mean, it tastes like sugar, but very fine. But you can tell right away that it's not normal sugar. It does have like an off taste to it. But good enough to sweeten stuff when you're not worried about where that sweetener comes from. You know what I mean? And I do find that when it comes to non-sugar sweeteners, that Lakanto is my favorite. Lakanto in English is monk fruit, and you can find monk fruit in English-speaking countries as well. I tend to like Lakanto or monk fruit because it tastes the most like sugar. Having tried this just a little bit, the taste of Lakanto is definitely way better. This is a little bit of a weird taste. It's kind of like stevia. It's kind of an off taste to me. The texture of this liquid, too, is very liquidy, whereas this one is more of a syrup. I don't even know if you can get monk fruit syrup in the West. I assume you can, but I haven't looked. But in any case, the reason why I decided to switch to this allulose is that I read somewhere that it's actually good. It actually sort of stimulates GLP producers, the same stuff that's in Ozempic. Now, of course, I'm not a doctor, and I can't make claims or anything like that. But this is what I've read, so I'm deciding to try it out. However, I do know that allulose can produce some mild and temporary gastrointestinal distress because the body absorbs it very slowly, and then the excess cellulose can reach the large intestine where it can ferment and draw in water. And I've experienced this with other foods before. So this is something, if you do decide to go with it, I would recommend consuming it in small portions, and the rest of the time perhaps going with something like this. But the taste overall, it's okay. It sweetens up your stuff if you're a sweet tooth like I am. So I'm going to make it part of my diet, but in small proportions. So there you go.